Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change camera settings in WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. Just go to options and select gameplay. Right here press RB on Xbox or R1 on PlayStation to go to presentation tab, and here we have the option for gameplay camera. So right from here you'll able to change the camera angle, like you can go for default, standard, ram facing or third person, whichever you like. Just choose that. Underneath of that you have the option for camera targeting, so you can change it between proximity or global. Underneath of that you have the option for invert third person camera y-axis, so you can turn this on or off. Then you can change the third person camera field of view or FOV. Then you can change the superstar HUD, control help and match rating HUD. So whichever you want to change for your camera, you'll able to do that from here. And to save the changes, just select save at the bottom. And yep, that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you'll able to change camera settings in WWE 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.